Hi, morning of Charity Hack, just getting my stuff together. So this is my survival kit. Got cable extension for getting some power to the laptop if needed, sleeping bag, roll mat, little hub so I can collaborate with other people on the team, and I've got my laptop and my netbook, and over there I've got a selection of donuts. So yeah, that should see me through. So just arriving at the PayPal office, register.
Hiya, we're made it to Charity Hack, coffee first. Already started meeting a few people. We've met the guys from Just Giving, also met some guys from PayPal as well. Everyone's just settling in, having a bit of breakfast, and we'll get going.
Lots of people turned up already, which is all good. Waiting for the presentations.
This is Charity Hack. Charity Hack is an event where we try and bring developers together for a weekend to write some new and interesting tools for the charitable giving. We've also got some people from some charities who will be talking to you guys and seeing if they can get your help with their ideas or things that they've been looking to get done. And of course we've got so much food that you won't want to eat for a week. So, what is the format? We're going to start with some talks, so we're going to first start with friend Martin, who's going to tell you about what the hell giving to charity is all about. We're going to have the guys from Mission Fish present their brand new APIs. The guys from Just Giving present their brand new APIs. Then you're going to listen to me talking about our sort of new, nearly new APIs.
So we just sat through some presentations, various charities and their APIs. We're getting our stuff set up. So laptop, we've got the Bill Bunny, the rabbit. Nick's getting everything sorted out, getting the rabbit alive, and also the easy button, which we will hit every time we manage to achieve something. Okay, it's 1:30 in the afternoon. The hack has officially started now, so first of all we're going to have a quick design session so we sort of know what everyone's responsible for developing, and see how that goes. Hi, just here with Nick Watkins. We're going through the design of our phone app. I'll send you over to Nick now just to talk you through what we've done.
Hi guys, we're an hour and 20 minutes down already, but we have come up with a rough outline design for our phone, Windows Phone 7 UI. So you know the idea by now. We'll start off with what happens when the user launches the app to begin with. We're going to start with a pivot control. And the initial homepage is going to be a simple text entry to enter a 4-digit code that the user will get from the member of the public, whoever they're going to donate to. The other elements of the pivot control, there'll be a history page where you can see the history of donations you've made in the past, and a credit and about us page, so information about the app, information about us. So the process will be, the user enters the code, and now move to a simple page which will show the profile of the person they're donating to, avatar, name, and then under that we'll start with their wish list, so the items they want to receive money for. On top of that we'll also have the charity that is controlling this person. So the user has the option to donate to the charity or donate directly to one of the items on the user's wish list. The wish list will just be a scrollable pane, and against each item you'll be able to scroll up or down, £1, £2, £3. So you'll be able to donate against more than one item if you wish to. Clicking on the donate button on that page will, in this case, on the wish list, take us through the PayPal process of actually sending the money. We're also going to have various web service calls to our portal system. We've got a panorama in the mix as well. We're going to use this for showing all the details of a charity, so charity logo, contact information, and mission statement. We're going to get a Bing map and things in there if we can, if we've got time. And as part of this panorama, we've also got a Just Giving page. And that Just Giving page is for the charity. So if you do not want to donate money to an individual item on the contact's wish list, you can donate instead to the overall charity that person's going to, a homeless shelter or
that's
there's
it.
very other stuff in there, but that's basically it. We've come up in the last sort of 60 minutes, so we've got 23 hours now to make it work.
Right, well, we better stop videoing and get on with it.
I'm Heather Taylor, and I work for giffgaff.
And you've just come over and thrown a fantastic idea into the mix. So,
well, basically, sometimes I love the idea of giving back to the homeless, and I like the idea of this and everyone having a different profile. But I may not want to actually just pick a profile, so I might just want to give, let's say, £50 to the charity. But I still want to see who benefits. So in a way, it needs to auto-allocate to different people who maybe not have had as many donations given to them, and then at the end I can see who I've actually given money to, instead of it just going to a charity and being a very anonymous thing. I want to see who I'm giving to. So that was my idea.
and we think we can do it, which is fantastic.
Excellent.
To be clear, Heather means now I'm not going to sleep tonight.
Right, well, started coding, and I've now got some stub data, so I'm allowed to press
That was easy.
the easy button. Stub 2! Woo! Happy days. Right, so it's 7 o'clock. Nick's been working away on the app so far. What do we got, Nick?
Well, most of the code so far is behind the scenes, but we've got our first landing page when the app starts. We enter our contact code. This is going off to our back end and our web services, and this will be the landing page for the contact, and we'll display their wish list, things you can donate against on there. We've got basically that back-end code in place now, so hopefully development will step up a gear and we'll start getting some more pages and more screens together.
Woohoo! Hi, I'm David Whitney from Just Giving, and we've just been working on getting our donation integration running in Windows Phone 7. It's pretty awesome. We've got it going back and forth, actually taking payments, taking money against our staging environment. Pretty cool for pre-release software. Quite exciting. Thanks very much, Dave. You've been very well provided for by PayPal. Food has just not stopped coming. Coffee has not stopped being dispensed. The beer is still there, but just not up for that today. Too tired. But yeah, well done PayPal. Really appreciated. So it's now 1:30 in the morning, and we've just had our first end-to-end payment in the phone, so we can log in, select some items, and go to PayPal, pay for it. It comes back and gives a little success message, thank you for your donation, and that's a big milestone for us. So we've just come up to midday on Sunday, so we've been going for 22.5 hours. I got a couple of hours kit, as did Nick. So we're pretty pleased with the mobile Windows Phone app. We tried to do the web portal, which was just too much for the 24-hour period. But we gave it a crack. So what we're doing now is just finishing up the app, and when that's done, we'll take a video clip so you can see what it looks like. Just waiting to be called into the demo room. Just making sure it's all working. Yes. Easy button. Ready to go. Where is the easy button? Didn't get a great opportunity to film our presentation, so I'll just do it now. So this is the Big Give app. comes up. A couple of ways to find people. You can put in a unique PIN code like that. That will bring up the homeless person's profile. You can have a look at their wish list. So this person wants a haircut. You can donate a bit of money to that. Donate. This would go off to the PayPal payment service, but we're not on the internet at the moment, so I won't click OK. You can also, from the About page for that person, see the shelter that they're attached to, find out a bit about that charity, contact details of that charity. This goes off to the Just Giving API and pulls back data about percentage achieved on that page. And you can click Donate, and that will take you through to the Just Giving payment process. Again, not on the internet, so I can't do that, but it does work. And other contacts linked to charity. So you may click on Molly again, we're back into that payment process. The second way to find people is the Near Me option. So this will look up shelters near you and list the people that they help, so perhaps you can spot someone rather than having to approach them. You can donate to them this way. It's great like that. And then we've also got the history page, which lists the stuff that you've donated to and how far to completion that is. So you can see George Street's been given some stuff, a Hotmail, a haircut. And then we've got the About, which is just about the people who help with the charity app. So it's me, Nick, Heather, and of course the Bill Bunny. So yeah, that's what we managed to come up with, and yeah, very pleased with it.